Okay guys, so welcome back to Code DNA. Today I'm going to show you how to write your Python script. I believe you must have followed up on our introductory video, our Hello World program, and today I'm going to be dealing with how you can write and run your Python scripts before we actually get into doing a whole lot of stuff. Now, why do we need to write and run our Python script? Why don't we just do what we did the last time and just keep writing programs on the IDLE or on whatever terminal or command environment that we have? Now, if I actually get to do something like this, let's get back to where we were the last time. And I say, let me get back to this, and I just do Python. All right, so I'm going to make this big so that I can cover my screen and you can see. Now, if I get to do something like I did the last time, print, and I now do hello world, okay, and then I close this and I tap. No doubt I have my hello world displayed here on the terminal. But what happens to this particular program that I have just written? This is my Python program, no problem. It gives me hello world. But once I exit, once I close this, it's lost. It's no longer there. So now, how do I write a program that is actually saved and I can always run it anytime that I want to run it? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Python scripts and actually how you can get to run it from the command line, from the terminal if you're using a Linux system. So that's what we're going to do today. So I want you to dive in with me and let's get this done. I'm going to do it in a very simple way. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my desktop here. I'll just do a quick refresh, and then I will create a new I'll use a text document. All right, I'll just do a new text document. All right, so I have my text document here. Okay, just regular Notepad. Now I'm going to still write the same hello world program, and I'm going to say hello. I'm just going to add some more things. Hello world, and I'll close that up, and I'll do print statement, and I'll not add anything. I'll close it, and I'll do one last one. I'll do print hello and welcome to Code DNA. All right, so once I have this, okay, I basically have written Python programs in my my text document. Now what I'm going to do is I will save this. I'll do a save as. Okay, so I'm going to save it on my desktop. I will save it as hello world.py. All right, now .py is actually a file extension for Python files. Okay, now basically I believe we have seen other kind of file extensions, .mp3, .mp4, .docx, and the rest of them. Now what file extensions do is actually to tell your computer system the software program that should be used to open or to access the content of that particular file. Okay, so when we want to create Python scripts, we have to give it the .py extension. So if it were to be like other languages, if it were to be Java, we'll have .java, okay, but it is Python, so we are doing .py, and that means that we have written our hello world. We have written it as a script, not as a program on the terminal. Okay, so this is very, very important for you to understand. So I'm going to save my program as hello world.py. Okay, so it's saved. You cannot see any special effect because we are just using plain old trusty Notepad. So I'll just close this program and I will check. If you look closely here, all right, you find out that my script has the Python symbol attached to it already. Okay, so how do we get to run this program now that we have written it into a script? You see, if I should open it up again, it's going to look for a way to do this, all right, to run it with this or this. But I don't want to go here. I just want to show you how you can do this on your terminal. Okay, when we come back to Visual Studio Code and we get to do some more stuff, we might not have to go to the terminal, but I just want you to know how this works, that you can actually write your script and go to the terminal and actually get to run it. All right, so let me take this out. I'll do a refresh. So let's go to our command prompt. Now I have to navigate first for some of us that are not used to command line or what we call command prompt or your terminal. You have to learn how to use it as long as you are coming into software development. You want to be a programmer, you want to do all the development stuff. You're going to have to learn how to use I wouldn't say master, but you've got to learn how to use your command prompt. So basically, if I do this dir, all right, or first things first, I like to do this, all right, and I have my colors that way. Now if I should do dir, okay, it gives me what we call a directory list. All right, so basically everything that is on this directory, senior dev Sams. Okay, so that's where you're going to find a whole lot of stuff that I have. So it's more like giving me a list. All right, my directory list, folders, files, and the rest of them. Everything on my system right now is being shown to me here. So I want to go to my desktop. All right, so I'm going to use a command cd, which means change directory. Okay, so I do cd desktop. All right, and if you look closely, you find out that at first instance it was just this. All right, but now after I have run this command, it has this attached to it. Okay, so if I should do the dir again, that's the directory list. This is everything that I have on my desktop at the moment. Okay, so I have this file here, hello world.py. All right, so what I'm going to do is I want to run that particular Python script. Okay, so all I have to do is do Python, all right, hello world.py, and I tap enter. If you look closely, you find out that I have hello world, I have a space, and I have hello and welcome to code DNA. Now I know this might be looking not just, it sounds confusing at first and also looks very difficult, but I want to assure you that this is just where we are starting from. As we keep going, you will understand more things about the Python programming language, and you get to learn and understand more of how your system works. All right, how your computer system works, because as a programmer, as a developer, you are actually training, or you are actually instructing your computer on what you want it to do. Like now I just told it, okay, I want it to write hello world. It writes hello world. I say write hello and welcome to code DNA, and it writes it. So basically we are just starting. There are tons and tons of cool stuff that I'm going to be showing you guys, and you're going to learn a lot. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just look down below and click on the subscribe button, so that when next I'm uploading the video, you will get notifications. So see you in the next video, where we learn something way really cool. So thank you guys from Code DNA. See you next video.